Hello, welcome back to everyone. Today all the chokers, beads choker that we are showcasing live video will be flat 999 rupees, free shipping across India. So don't miss this Ugadi sale. All the bead choker, pearl choker that we are showcasing today are all 999 rupees only. You are buying one, that is 999. You are buying two, it is 1800. You are buying three, it is 2700. So the sale is all about your purchases. Let's start. See this first bead choker, pearl choker. 5 lines of pearls. This beads, this pendant and this earrings. We have two colors in this. First is this, then we have in green beads also. So anything you want, you can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number, you can order it on our WhatsApp. Single piece you take, it is 999 rupees. 2 pieces you take, it is 1800 rupees. 3 pieces you take, it is 2700 rupees each. Price is 999 rupees, madam. These are all under sale today. The live video that we are showcasing, everything in the live video is under sale for this Ugadi. So directly you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. In this first design, we have two variants in green color. Price is 999 each. So moving to the next. This is our next design. Same design in red color stone. See this design. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. ₹999. No ma'am, it is not listed on website. It is only for our WhatsApp orders. On website we have a different offer going on. We have up to 15% off on purchases based on your purchase value. So you can proceed only on WhatsApp for these orders. We have not listed it on our website. This is 999 rupees, 999 rupees, free shipping across India. Again same with pearls we have. This is also again 999 rupees. From the sale that is going live today, madam, it is all 999 rupees. Any of the pearl choker, bead choker you can take, it is 999 rupees, inclusive of shipping, no extra shipping charges. Orders will be processed from WhatsApp. 9030271018 is the WhatsApp number. You can take a screenshot if you want. We have two in red color. We have two, one with pearls, one with beads. So you can order. You can check the clarity. If you want zoomed version, I'll show you in zoom very clearly. Going to the next design. Be on hold for a minute. I'll be showcasing our next design. Check this design. You can take a screenshot if you want. The price is 999 rupees. These are earrings. Those are all cream shade pearls, sir, not white. These are all cream shade pearls. So this is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India. You can select any of the color. If we have green color, we have red color. We don't have only pendant. These are all combo with choker and beads. Going to the next design. Let me show you some beads chokers. Very pretty. Wow, this is also very pretty. Color beads, GJ polish pendant, light pink shade. You can check the pendant also. It is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India, and these are the earrings that come with it. So anyone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. I hope the video is very clear. The same piece we have it in orange color. Check this piece. The same design in orange color, light orange color beads. Very pretty pendant. The price is 999 rupees. Free shipping across India. So to be very clear, I am placing both the beads at one place. You can take a screenshot. Yes ma'am, Jhumka sale you can purchase from our website. We have listed things on website. Machilipatnam Mangalsutra bana ke naam. Can take this. Moving to the next design. Wow, this is also very pretty. Bead choker, we have 3 colors in this design, 4 colors actually. We have dark green, light pink. Check this. This comes with this earrings. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. It is 999 rupees, madam. Free shipping across India. All the chokers that we are showcasing today in the live show are same price, 999 rupees. So going to the next, same design, we have another color beads, light pink color. See this. If you want, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Whoever pays first, confirm first, will be getting the order. So book your orders right now on WhatsApp. We are available on WhatsApp 9030271018. You can check this piece. Comes with earrings. This earrings. This is Rama green, madam, not exactly green. I will show you very clearly so you will get an idea. See, this is, we have light green also in this. I will show you the light green color. Check this piece. We have same in light green also. The price is again 999 rupees, free shipping. Check this. You can take a screenshot. Kavalante oka screenshot తీసుకోండి. And you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. That is our WhatsApp number. Then we have one more design. This one more design in GJ. Same. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have all this 4. You can take a screenshot.
1 rupee cartoon में
कौन सा?
right
ले लो भाई, मिल रहा तो ले लो भाई, एक कार्टून. Ma'am, we have showcased maroon already, madam. Now going to the next section, we have orange also in this.
भैया एक cartoon ले लो.
We have orange. Can take a screenshot if you want, and you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. These are earrings. So మీకు కావాలంటే you can take a screenshot. Price is again 999 rupees, free shipping. Let's move to pearl chokers. ఇవి చాలా బాగున్నాయండి, కొత్తవి. మా దగ్గర కూడా ఇప్పుడే రీస్టాక్ అయ్యాయి. సేమ్ డైమండ్ లుక్ ఉన్నాయి, చాలా చాలా ప్రెట్టీగా ఉన్నాయి. సో we have 2 colors. ఇది చూడండి. This is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India. This is also same 999 rupees, free shipping across India. Look at the pendant, chala is very pretty. It is choker style. Price is 999, free shipping across India. And these are the earrings. Check out the earrings also. If you want, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Then next design. This is also really pretty. See this piece. The price is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India. You should not miss this piece also. Stones చూడండి ఎంత బాగున్నాయో, polish. It comes with 4-line pearls. We have red color also in this. Check this red color. It is inclusive of shipping across India. अंजा को फोन मिला, 4 लाइन चंपस्त्र लेके 4, 5, 8 लाइन. Going to next. This comes with this pair of earrings. I'll show the earrings also. Welcome, madam. Welcome. So these are the earrings. The uncut stone and seasoned stone తో పాటు ఉన్నాయి. This is a pearl choker totally. Going to the next design. ఇది కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి, కొత్త డిజైన్. 3-line pearls. మీకు 3 lines కావాలా, 4 lines కావాలా, 5 lines కావాలా, you can decide. We are showcasing all the designs. సో మీకు ఏది కావాలో, మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో యూ కెన్ టేక్. దిస్ ఆల్సో చాలా బాగుంది. పెండెంట్ కూడా ఎంత బాగుందో. ఇందులో వీ హ్యావ్ రెడ్ కలర్ ఆల్సో. It comes with 3-line pearls. అండ్ దానికి ఇయరింగ్స్ వచ్చేసి వస్తాయి, సేమ్ రెడ్ లో కూడా వస్తాయి. Going to the next design. Again మనం కొన్ని బీట్స్ చోకర్స్ చూద్దాము, పర్ల్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ లో, బీట్స్ కాంబినేషన్స్ లో. ఇవి చూడండి, ఇవి కూడా కొత్తగా ఉన్నాయి, చాలా బాగుంది. చూపిస్తున్నాను, 1 minute మేడం. ఇది చూడండి, we have 3 same design. It comes with chain, madam. See, this is one piece, broad pendant. No, madam, these cannot be replaced. Whatever we are showcasing, the same will be dispatched. There is no kind of customization or replacement going to happen on these pieces, because these all are ready for the Ugadi sale. We have made it ready. So this we have 3 colors: the green color, this is blue color, this is red color. Green color we are giving with green beads. Blue color is coming with pearls, 5 lines. Then red color again, 5 lines, beads, red beads. You can take a screenshot if you want. Chain model choker, we have uploaded 2 designs on our Instagram, madam, recently, not even 2 days. It is Saturday. We have got new designs and we have uploaded. So you can check into our Instagram. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. The price is 999 rupees, free shipping across India. And let me show the earrings. This comes with this. So this earrings, దీంతో పాటు ఇయరింగ్స్ వస్తాయి, and దీంతో పాటు ఇయరింగ్స్ వస్తాయి. So you can choose which color you want. You can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Let's move on to the next session, next design. Wow, this is also very pretty and design wise, I think. Check this. This one design with big pearls, 6 mm pearls, 4 lines. This is also same 4 lines. The price is again 999 rupees, free shipping. దీంతో పాటు ఇయరింగ్స్ వస్తాయి. You can check this earrings. Let's move to the other section. Just a minute, madam, be on hold. I'll show you more designs. Wow, this is also very pretty, Andy. This we have only single piece in choker. You should not miss this piece. This is the piece. These are earrings. చాలా బాగుందండి. You should not miss. బాగుంది. రెడ్ కలర్ వచ్చింది. నెక్ టైట్ చోకర్ వస్తుంది ఇది. This comes with this earrings. Again the price is 999 rupees, free shipping. So చాలా బాగుంది. Don't miss this. Let's move on to the next design. ఇది చూడండి, ఇది కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి. చిన్న స్క్వేర్ పెండెంట్ వచ్చింది, దాంతోపాటు చిన్న ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ ఇయరింగ్స్ వచ్చాయి. Price is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India. త్వరగా you can book it on our website, or sorry, you can book it only on our on WhatsApp, and WhatsApp number is 9030271018. We have white color also in this with this earrings, Free shipping across India. Price is 999 rupees. Don't miss. All the prices that we quote are based on the quality, the stone, the material being used. Same pieces are being copied and sold at lesser prices, but all the quality that we use are completely premium quality stones and beads. Everything is premium only. This one. Going to the next design. We have last few designs to be showcased for today, and we'll be ending the show for the day. So whoever wants to book, please reach us on our WhatsApp number ASAP. We have huge orders already on our WhatsApp. So whoever pays first and confirms the order will be getting the piece. This is again 999 rupees, free shipping across India. Going to the next design. Wow, it's very pretty. Again, the price is 999 rupees, blue stone, free shipping across India. You can take a screenshot if you want. You can check this. Very pretty. Stone quality is nice. Shining and all. Pearls. Chala bagundi. Going to the next design. Again, we have come up with beads, chokers, broad. This actual price around 1600 rupees for the Ugadi sale. We are giving it at 999 rupees, free shipping across India. We have limited stocks and already started. We have started getting orders. So book your order first. Get the product dispatched today itself. For people residing in Hyderabad, we do have a offer. You can book it with us and get the same day delivery. You have to pay the delivery charges. We may ship it by Rapido, something around 100 to 150 rupees extra. This one piece, then green. Then let's move to the next design. Should not miss this piece. Kempu choker with earrings, 4-line pearls. The price is again 999 rupees only. Free shipping across India. So awesome price. See the stone clarity and all. It's chala bagundi with golden matte polish. These are all prices only valid for today. If you are coming after 2 days or 3 days asking for the price, sorry, we cannot avail the same price because these are all under Ugadi sale. So book your order now, make the payment, get the delivery ASAP. And this is also 999 rupees, free shipping across India. Let's move to the next design. These are last designs for the day. Again, this one more piece. The price is same, 999 rupees, free shipping. Check this piece. We'll be posting the same video on IGTV. So from IGTV, you can take a screenshot. Same video will be posting on. The prices all are 999 rupees, free shipping across India. There is no cash on delivery on this.